Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Sami Abusaad coming at you late morning, almost 11 o'clock, to give you a market update. The market had, especially the Qs, the Nasdaq had almost a meltdown this morning, and a lot of people are wondering what's going on. Pre-market in the black room, I discussed what potentially could set up as a lower high in the Qs. Notice the retest of the rising 20, and the way it's supposed to work when you're in an uptrend is the next day you're supposed to take out that red bar's high. If we look at Apple, that's exactly what happened. We retested the 20 in an uptrend, took it out the very next day. So the Qs today, I discussed in the black room that if we take the yesterday Friday's bars low, 183.26, that will actually trigger a lower high on the daily chart of the Qs. And that's kind of a big deal. That's a lower high. Now, it's not a confirmed lower high until you take out the prior low. So until we take out about 180. But the problem is if you wait for it to take out the prior low before you act, then you miss out. So in the meantime, you want to be prepared with swing short ideas. I did a video just yesterday, last night, I think. No, actually, it was midday yesterday, Sunday, and with some ideas that triggered today. MIK triggered nicely, no jinx, right? MED triggered, Sono triggered. Um, so I gave you a bunch of ideas that triggered today, but the most important, the ones that I like to do the most are the ones that are climactic on multiple time frames, like the MED. If you look at the larger time frame, monthly, weekly, right? I missed out on the TNDM. That's gone for now. There are some other ones that I'm watching, such as the ROL, which is a climactic daily, monthly, weekly. It's not as good because we don't have wide range bars, but those are my favorite to do when I feel the market might be topping out. Okay, so the ROL is something that I'm watching. SQ, something that I'm watching. Um, OLLI, Ollie is something that I'm watching. AMD. So the ones that are way, way up there. INGN almost did it this morning, but I passed on it. I had just gotten triggered into the MED, and the MED and the INGN both in the same sector and super, super wild. So I did the MED, which is up 1,400 bucks. Um, but the INGN is just as good, if not better. Look at this. Climactic monthly. So those are the ones that usually get hammered the most when the market is near the top because they've been getting bought a lot. So there's a lot of buyers already in it. In a stock like Amazon, there's a lot of people that have been buying it. So when the market starts to fall, there's a lot of sellers available. So that's what's going on with the market, and those are some ideas that I would like to watch over the coming days. Long, there's only one at the moment that I like, and it's the CLNY. Talked about it in yesterday's video. Uh, but that's kind of the only, pretty much. The ZGNX is another one that I like, but the CLNY is pretty much the only thing that I'm watching at the moment. As far as some day trades, I like the NIO a lot, short, intraday. But problem with it is it's hard to get filled on. It's on an uptick. But I like the NIO short. I like the MOS long. It has a lot of relative strength compared to the MOS to the Qs. I definitely like the MOS long. Um, Maybe the NTR. I passed on the NTR earlier and it worked. Still bullish, but at resistance. Not a whole lot at the moment. I'm looking at my charts. What about Tiva? A little bit bullish, but don't like the daily. So give you a couple of ideas short, couple of ideas, a couple of swing ideas, couple of day trade watches, such as the NIO and the MOS. If we look at the switch back to the market, the SPY has a lot of relative strength compared to the market. The Qs is already below the 20 MA. The SPY is well above it, but we may be putting in a double top on the SPY. So the market is a little tough. It's losing the uptrend, right? Very, very sloppy. We like nice uptrending markets that stay above the rising 20, or better yet, nice downtrending markets that stay below the declining 20. This market at the moment is crisscrossing the 20, so it makes it a little bit harder. Still in an uptrend, but we put in the first lower high. Um, we would have to take out 180 for it to be a confirmed lower high and a lower low, and that would actually be the start of the downtrend on the daily chart. That would actually be the start of the downtrend. Next target would be 175. Now, we don't want to get ahead of ourselves, but that just wanted to kind of give you a market update, share with you some of the ideas that I'll be watching for today, the rest of the day. And I hope you're safe out there, doing well. I'll talk to you guys sometime soon. Maybe later today, I'm going to be doing a coaching session for the strategic swing traders, strategic swing trader members. Some of you are probably in that program, so I'll talk to you this afternoon. If not, I'll be back on the mic in the black room at 12:45. So talk to you soon. Take care, everybody.